Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I love pink burgundy colors in a look, so here is another glowy look for you. I need to fix these brows and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color medium brown and this eyebrow brush in number 12 and the Goof Proof in 3.5 by Benefit Cosmetics. So the first thing I'm gonna do is primer my eyes with the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre, and I will mattify it with the Catrice mattifying powder. I will use one palette in this tutorial. It's the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And the first color is Incense. I will blend this all over the crease as my transition color. The second color is Love. I'm blending this in the crease with a smaller blending brush. And add a little bit of the brown color and the pink one. It's time for some sparkle. Add the color Rose Gold on the center with a flat eyeshadow brush. And blend everything together with the colors you applied before. And I will highlight the inner corner with the color Wall Child and blend the same brown and pink color on the lower lash line. Make it darker with the color Passion and apply a white eye pencil in the waterline. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply
the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love.
So this is the result of today's look. I hope you like the result, and I will thank you for your support every day. It's a very easy 5-minute glam look, so give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and I hope to see you by my next video. Bye guys!